Hello and welcome to Zoom Review Show. Let's take a look at top 2 recommendations for the week. Number 1, Thug Life. For fans of Mani Ratnam, action is an unfamiliar genre as the ace filmmaker is known for his ability to weave love stories packed with emotional depth. However, this time around Mani Ratnam has delved into action. He has teamed up with Kamal Haasan, marking his reunion after 38 years since their last collaboration in Nayakan. With Thug Life, Mani Ratnam decides to bring the core quality of Nayakan in a story that marks the comeback of the iconic character. Rangaraya Sakthivil Naikar. Thug Life showcases power and position in a fairly predictable plot with a very superhero film-like treatment. While it should have been engaging with a gripping narrative, the output looks like the story moves swiftly with a 2x forward option. Most of the film features actors who talk monologues and take quick mindless decisions. A look at Mani Ratnam's previous films and you would know that he does not treat his actors like carry creatures. But given the lack of intensity and depth in characters, it is surprising to notice the treatment which makes the story shallow. In terms of performance, Kamal Haasan carries the film with ease. He particularly lifts the scenes in well-choreographed action scenes and emotional moments as well. Silambarasan TR shines in his face-off scenes with Kamal Haasan, commanding his own screen presence with subtle expressions and sharp dialogue delivery. Trisha Krishnan brings in style and charisma with her unique role. Abhirami delivers a performance with grace. Zoom gives Thug Life 3 stars rating. Well, now let's talk about Houseful 5, a star-studded cast, a renowned franchise, and a murder twist. The prime 3 factors of Houseful 5, but did it live up to its hype? Let's find out. The film divided into 2 endings with the names Houseful 5A and Houseful 5B, directed by Tarun Mansukhani, was released in theatres on June 6. The anticipation was high and the stakes were even higher, from the climax to the reunion of the cast after nearly 6 years and many more. This review is based on Houseful A. Akshay Kumar, Abhishek Bachchan and Ritesh Deshmukh reunite for a madcap comedy set on the high seas. The story kicks off with a grand celebration. An ultra-rich tycoon is throwing himself a lavish 100th birthday bash aboard a glamorous cruise. But he dies just before the party, and before his death, he announces son from his first wife, Jolly, will get his massive fortune. Cut to the chaos. Not 1 but 3 men played by Akshay, Julius, Abhishek Jalbhusha and Ritesh Jalabuddin all step up, claiming to be the real Jolly. Now Dave, played by Fardeen Khan, son of his second wife, decides to do a DNA test. As the night spirals into madness, someone spikes their drinks and they wake up with zero recollection of what happened. The situation turns deadly serious when the doctor assigned for the DNA test gets murdered. With no memory and all fingers pointing at them, the trio finds themselves in a deep mess. Well, Houseful 5 tries to bring back the madness of its earlier parts, but sadly, it never manages to match the fun. Well, Zoom gives Houseful 5 2-star rating. Well, that's it for today. I hope you must have selected your favorite recommendation of the week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.